Welcome to my channel. I am here to introduce another educational course. This course is ideal for those who want to acquire web development and programming skills by learning for essential languages CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and Python in a comprehensive program. It is designed for beginners and intermediate developers seeking a deeper understanding of these languages and their practical applications in real-world projects. Additionally, it is suitable for individuals looking to enhance their abilities for better job opportunities in programming and web development. This course has over 114,000 students and a 4.4 rating, making it a highly successful and practical program. Its current price is around €20. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and benefit from future updates. The total duration of this course is 10 hours. Upon completion, you will also receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn Introduction to CSS and JavaScript concepts, PHP programming language, and Python programming language, writing CSS scripts and understanding concepts, practically getting started with CSS styles, CSS 2D transform, CSS 3D transform, getting started with JavaScript variables, values, and data types, operators, and operands, writing JavaScript scripts and gaining knowledge of general JavaScript programming concepts, introduction and use of JavaScript variables, JavaScript arrays, JavaScript objects, and much more. Now, I want to offer this exciting course to you for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and search for the website address discountedcourseninja.com on Google. From the search results, click on the relevant link. Make sure that the website address matches the one displayed here, and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the website's main page. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for courses. Use the search function to find the course you are looking for. Additionally, you can browse different categories to explore topics of interest. Here, you can view our desired course. Now, to get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click on Get the Coupon. The course is now available for free. Please note that the coupon has a limited time availability. Now you have successfully accessed this course legally and free of charge with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.